Good morning! It's another day. Okay, naka-uniform ako for today's video dahil kailangan natin maging mabait na empleyado for some time. Today is medyo busy day. My bag for today is this gentlewoman na nabili ko sa Bangkok nung February. May mga outfit na ako for later because later, I will be back sa aerial hoops. So excited. I think that's the reason why kung bakit medyo positive yung mood ko for this morning. I've been doing aerial hoops noong 2023 pa, like 3 years ago. Tapos sobrang in love ako noon. Like I was doing it sa Zamboanga. Pero I stopped because dahil nag-prepare ako for bar exams. So, let's go! Currently, nasa conference room ako. Since may online hearing ako at 9:30. Then, meeting with DMW at 10. So, para mas tahimik. I don't know if gano'ng katagal yung meeting with DMW and doon ako kinakabahan dahil I'm alone. Yung boss ko hindi siya makaka-attend kasi we have someone from managing director ng counterpart namin sa Germany. So, nandito siya sa Philippines. So, nandun yung boss ko. So, ngayon, ako yung nandito sa DMW. Meeting is done with the DMW. Medyo kinabahan ako doon kasi I'm alone. Lone representative from the agency. Naitawid naman. So, now I need to make a report through email para i-report sa mga big boss namin kung what transpired sa meeting and para makakuha ng mga sagot din from them. Water! Mouse! Teng-tong! Kakatapos na. Tapos may another meeting na naman. Ito yung kasama yung managing director ng boss namin sa Germany.
We have Charlotte here, our lawyer in-house.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Frank, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so I guess this will be a very short, just a little presentation
Which is
since...
good news, so we don't have so many legal issues.
Yeah, exactly. That was so quick. Oh my gosh. Ano ba yan? Ba't may ganyang pa-meeting na sobrang... Okay, that's it. Done. It's about lunchtime. Anong thank you sa Japanese? Arigato gozaimasu! Banana pala yung shape niya. Akala ko mangga. Oo, kasing mangga yung shape. this is crazy. Hindi ko pa naayos yung setup ng camera for night mode. It's actually my first time using it, like, nasa sasakyan ako naggabi. So, I don't know. But anyway, magtiis na lang kayo sa voice ko. So, it's 6:38 p.m. Nasa Makati area ko. Mag-hopes ako tonight. But, unfortunately, kanina, pagkalabas ko ng office, sobrang bumuhos yung ulan ng sobrang lakas. But, continue pa rin tayo. And my class is at 7:30 p.m. So, I'm here. Naglakad na lang talaga ako dahil walang parking na malapit. We're done. It's 9:02 p.m. Kakatapos lang ng hoops class. Medyo, how do you say this? Medyo na-dismaya lang ako dahil I thought na each student may sariling hoop. Kagaya doon nang hoops ako sa Zamboanga, but no. Dalawa lang yung hoops, then there were 9 students, so naghahati kami sa hoop. Then yung mga intermediate or the pro, mga advanced, doon sila sa isang hoop. Then kami, mga beginners and low intermediate, nasa isang hoop. So nadismaya lang ako dahil yun nga, konti yung hoops, so it's less time to practice. So, yun. I'm not sure if I'll go back there. Siguro maghahanap ako ng ibang studio to practice on. So, let's see. Let's hope. Pabalik na sa car. Oh, hello! So, I just decided na dadaan na lang ako sa condo nung workmate ko. Dahil sila yung galing Japan. Then, may pinabili ako na sapatos. Sapatos na for pickleball. And then, nakalimutan nilang dalhin kanina sa office. So, then sabi ko, daanan ko na lang ngayon since pauwi naman ako. Sasadyain ko na lang. Kaya naman na daanan ko sa condo nila. So, I'm quiet and not quiet. I'm very, very, very excited for that pair of shoes. Hey, let's go!
Hindi siya makakatulog yan.
Thank you! Naka-vlog ako.
Naka-vlog ka.
Oo.
Ito na yung araw mo.
Saya lang ako. Laki pala nito. Inawi mo ba yung bag? Thank you! Oh my gosh! I'm so happy! My shoes! Woo! Diyos ka Lord! Diyos ka Lord! Diyos ka Lord! Talaga naman! Naman! Shelo, mabalot! Oh my gosh! Dala pa talaga ni Ma'am Tin yung box nyo. Wait lang, I need to calm down. Kailangan ko mag-drive ng mabuti para makauwi tayo ng safe. So, calm down. Shelo Katrina. Kaya, kinuha ko na lang yung shoes. Talagang para makabawi lang. Sasaya. Ay, Lord! Thank you so much. Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for this work. And I was able to buy what I want. To buy what I want. Nakakaskas ngayon sa credit card eh. Lord! Diyos ka Lord, talaga naman! I'm so excited. Woo! Grabe. Okay. So, oh my goodness! Oh my God! Let's do some unboxing. It's the Roger Pro 3 in lime. Okay. Ang kwento dito is, wala akong balak na bumili ng specific shoes for pickleball or for tennis. Dahil, like I said, nung una, hindi naman talaga namin sinaseryoso yung pickleball. Like, naglaro lang kami nung February, but then like naging everyday dahil nga nagkaroon ng court sa office. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung pickleball and like, na in love ako sa kanya, if that's the term. Cannot believe we're here. I cannot believe we're here. Hindi ko akalain na bibili ako ng On Cloud. Kasi sabi ko, hindi ko kayang bumili ng sapatos na nasa 5-digit yung price. Kinikilig ako sobra. I mean, this made my day. This made my day. Grabe. So, thank you so much kay Ma'am Tin and kay Ma'am Julie. Kay Ma'am Julie na nag-swipe ng credit card niya for this one. And, saan ba yung opening dito? Oh! Okay na dito yung opening. So again, here's the box. Ay! Wala pa pala. Hindi pa pala kita. Then, oh my goodness! Oh my god. Oh my god. See? Wait lang. I don't know if like ma-appreciate sa camera, but oh. Lord, it's lime. It's the color lime. Ah! Let's try. Ano ba to? Okay, grabe jud ka Lord. Grabe jud ka Lord sa tanan nga blessings. Okay? Okay. Ano to? Wala nang fit. Sabi ko kasi, ito na yung size ko sa shoes. Then, ang funny story pa nito is, last size. Last stock na. Last stock na talaga for this size. So, I think sabi ni Ma'am P, it's for me. Charing. For me na justify. Okay? Okay? Lord yun. Oh my goodness talaga, Lord. Tinuod ba ni Lord? Tinuod ba ni? Grabe ang Roger Pro 3, man. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng Roger Pro 3. Alam, di ata siya masyadong lime sa video, but it's lime. Pak! Pak! Oh, yeah! Ooh! Oh my goodness, I'm pretty! Oh, pak! Yes! Bagay siya pag all black. Oh my... I'm so happy. I'm really, really happy right now. As in, like, I can conquer the world.